Smart up your life, and our topic tonight is the power of the netizen. As a netizen of Indonesia, I'm sure that you know the current issue, the current information from the social media, whatever what platform. Uh, Maybe Instagram, Twitter, and etc. But guys, talking about the power of netizen, um, there's so much things that finally uh, happen and finally get impact because of reactions, netizens' reaction in social media. And so, guys, can you mention and from your experience and from your from the information that you got before, what cases that happened because of Indonesians netizen, from the bad, the worst things, and the good things because of the netizens. Who wants? Yes.
Okay. Okay. In this case, I want to talk about the biggest case in our country in the past. Maybe they were, the best player, chess player,
Mm-hmm.
who play the online games, and then he got banned from the
Oh,
games because
yes.
the foreigner report him,
Mm-mm.
because the foreigner have the most power in this game, and then they ask their netizen to report him. After that, our netizen from Indonesia attack their social media,
Mm.
and then the foreigner got anxiety maybe, and then he made a apologize to this player, and
Mm-hmm.
then because of this power, everyone knows the chess player, right?
Ah.
And then you know our influencer right now manfaatkan this situation. He
Uh-huh.
made the competition between this player and other player too,
Uh-huh.
and it this game live on his YouTube.
Oh yeah, I
He
see.
doesn't want to show on TV because he can get more benefit from YouTube.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
because of this power. I mean,
Uh-huh.
because of this netizen power,
Uh-huh.
the the news spread. I mean, spread everywhere, and then everyone wants to play
Uh-huh.
chess right now.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a good news, I think. Yeah.
Yes.
Do you mean this the master?
Yes, I don't think so. He's the master, but I see his photo. He's the grandmaster, but
Oh.
he plays with grandmaster too.
Yeah,
But
yeah, yeah. I see, I see, I
the
see.
grandmaster is woman. I mean,
Yeah.
grandmaster woman. Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, uh, uh that's one of the netizens' powers proven.
Yes, of
Yeah,
course.
proven with that case. Yeah, and yeah, I'm sure that you have read all of this news maybe around 2 months ago. Yeah, this
Maybe
case.
4 months
Oh,
ago.
four
Yeah.
months ago.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So next case,
Okay,
maybe.
maybe me. So actually, why the netizen have a lot, have powerful, because yeah, they do that because they think what there are a mistake from this regulation. For example, like we know that in the current situation right now, there are so many cases like from the government itself, like corruption and etc. And also maybe the from influencer itself. Yeah, exactly. If it is bad, of course the netizen will attack. I think the netizen right now already progressive. They understand about what they have to do. Even if there are several netizen, it's bad. Maybe they using a second account to mocking
Mm-mm.
for the other user. But I think it's not totally giving effect for the each user itself, because yeah, a lot of netizen right now they are so progressive, how they can create a community, how they can create how they can as a representative from the society itself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, of course I think that is why if the netizen think it is bad, exactly they will attack and change about this regulation, because we know that the moment if we menggabungkan, how to say,
Mix.
okay, mix voice, I think the government or influencer will hear about what we interest, what we want, for example. I
Yes,
think
yes.
that's all.
Okay, from Mr. Aswin, maybe.
Yeah, thank you for the chance. Actually, in our nation, our country, we have a lot of contribution for our netizen. Yeah, whether it's a good thing or bad things.
Mm-hmm. So
So,
one case is that
yeah,
one
if
case,
we
one of
talk
the case.
about the good situation or good cases, case about maybe if some condition that our government can handle it, and netizen it's maybe be trigger for this case, so uh, the netizen make the content viral, so because of that the government can take action,
Mhm,
especially
mhm,
because our netizen.
Yeah. There's so much cases happen like that because of the netizens. Finally, the government make the regulation and taking action
Yeah,
to solve the problem, right?
yeah, and also in another day there are netizen helps people.
Mm-hmm.
They
Oh yeah.
patungan, or yeah,
Donation, make a
yeah,
donation.
donation to help people. It's netizen power.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
There is a lot of contribution in our
Okay.
country in netizen power.
That's how to say. That's the proof of our netizens' love
Yeah.
to other.
Our love, yeah.
Yeah. Humanism that also being one of the value that how to say there are so many people in Indonesia focusing on that case and that issue, humanism, especially in social media. When you open the donation, when you are fight for to find the funding and to help each other. Yeah, I think the netizen of Indonesia, especially, giving a fast response to every project. Yeah. So next from Mrs. Dewi, from your insight, maybe another cases that finally, yeah, we know that cases because of the netizen.
Yeah, absolutely. The only words I can say that I'm so grateful for our power for Indonesian netizen, yeah, because it's a very popular things like netizen in Indonesian netizen. Please do your magic. When you say that words, it will be viral, yeah. Especially like,
But I think not at all.
yeah.
There's also some people asking for help from the netizen based on the issue. Based on the issue, is it catchy or not?
Okay, so I'm talking about by sexual harassment and violence side,
Oh.
yeah, because it's a commonly things that always happen not only in our country, but also in some of all of country in the world, yeah. And here this, I feel so thankful that our netizen who already get smart and clever how to face this kind of problems, because yeah, like you guys said that sometimes government doesn't have enough or strong power, and they are too late to control and handling this kind of case. While you know that, because I'm talking here as a woman and as a mother, yeah, as a wife, so we have to see by this kind of the main case that always happen in our country. It is rapes, violence, and sexual harassment. And I'm so grateful for Indonesian for the netizen, yeah, Indonesian netizen, because if there is no maybe some social media also, we cannot saying how and we cannot react how to make a sign or petition to make them fall down, to make this kind of to be up, blowing up, and that's one of the main things that happened recently. And I will talking also about another case that is easy to get viral from Indonesian netizen, that is like a natural disaster or something like that.
Oh, yeah.
Like that almost every day happen also. And I am checking. I have a lot of news account I follow on Instagram, so it's like very accurate for the news and make sure that some place like who gets flood and fire, yeah. So we from that kind of situation, and the Indonesian people who make it viral, then we can be extra careful for that situation. Maybe sometimes you have to find out that your family or get kind of this disaster, yeah, and so you can check it directly that, oh, is it okay, are you safe there, because I heard or I see from the news that this is happening in your area or something like that. So sometimes it's really helpful, not sometimes, yeah, but if we have to count how many percent, but Indonesian netizen is more faster than the how to say, the journalism itself, yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm so thankful for that kind of people.
Yes, but sometimes we are, as the society also, we have to filter the information, what's the netizens spread and share from the social media, because I know there's so much value, there's so much things to share in social media, but we cannot trust all of the information. We cannot share also all the information. We take the good and leave the bad. So we'll continue the conversation, smart listener, with the conclusion and also a little bit vocabularization for you after the break.